sure. Hey folks, do you want to bust a job? Which folks? Right, got a story for you today. Right, it's called I've Never Killed You Just Before, Freya. Right. I've never killed you just before, Freya, but when you were a little girl, you were just that size, and you were playing on this river, and you fell down into the river, and then all your face fell off, like your eyes and your mouth and your ears and your hair, it just all fell off. So, we went down to the bottom of the river, and we found your eyes, found your hair, we found your mouth and your teeth and your ears, but we couldn't find your nose. I'm so sorry, but we looked down again at the bottom of the sea, and all we could find was a monkey's nose. So we just gave you it, because I mean, who the hell's going to notice the difference between a monkey's nose and a human's nose? So that is what I've never told you that before, Freya. I'm so sorry. I should have told you. I'm so sorry.